Hello friends, today we'll be taking a look at the MEDca Pressure Point Therapy Massager. We got this product for a test and try. So as you can see, this product comes in a very nice box, and it also includes a chart which has many different pressure points that relate to different parts of your body. So here's the massager itself. It's made of wood, and it has many spinning parts to help massage your foot. So as you can see, it's very good quality, and over here is the felt, so it doesn't scratch your floor, and it's easy to move. So as you can see, it's very relaxing to massage your foot on, and it's very easy to move your foot so you can target many different pressure points. You can also use it the other way around. So over here, the first part is targeting the toes, and now it's targeting the heel.
Sharing my personal experience with this. So this is really a nice dental thing with the wood stuff on the top, very soft. There is not pinching or anything, but giving the right pressure on your heels and the feet, and very smooth to work on as well. So my personal experience is really great. I will really recommend this product to use and to relax your feet.